Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Mati. So for this video, I'm actually going to be doing an unboxing. I got this package right here sent to me from my sister. And I am super excited because I know what it is, but I don't know which ones it is. So she has sent me some pots and pans from IKEA. So it's still in the box. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox it and then show you guys. So she sent me the, can you see that? Okay, so the Polerad from IKEA, and it is an 11-piece set. So let's go ahead and open it. There we go. So my sister bought me this set because I was in desperate need of new ones. She also threw in some pillowcases that my mom put in here, so this is not part of it. She just put it into the box. So it comes, it's an 11-piece set, and it's from IKEA, and it's called the Polerad set. So the first thing in the box, is 2 lids, one smaller, one bigger, and it said that this is tempered glass, so you know, in case it falls, it's pretty safe. This is what it looks like. So it has a little hole for the steam to be able to come out of, and then it is stainless steel. So that's the first one. Then this is the second one. It looks exactly the same, but a bit smaller. So stainless steel, tempered glass. Okay. And then when you open it, this is the first one. And oh my God, it's so cute. I know that's probably so weird to say about a pot, but like it's so small. This is perfect. And oh my God, it even has like how many cups on the side. Can you see it? Let's see. Am I bugging? Can you see it? Oh, there we go. Maybe if I reduce the light. There we go. It's right there. So it shows how many cups it holds. So this one holds 3 cups of water, which is perfect. The only thing that I can see that I'm going to need is like gloves, mittens, so that in case this gets hot, because this is also stainless steel, I gotta be able to pick it up from it. And all of these pots and pans are safe on all stovetops, and that's what I read online. And I also read that it has a 4.6 out of 5 rating, so that's really good. So I'm super excited to be able to use this. I'm probably going to be able to use this for my small portions of oatmeal because I do live by myself, so this would be perfect for oatmeal or boiling like 2 eggs. I'm so excited. I can finally throw out my dingy old pots and pans. The next one is this size right here, and it holds 10 cups of water. It has it right here, but the light is not letting you see it. And it also has like the little manual, which probably tells you like the best way to clean it. And I do recommend for pots and pans like this, so that they won't get scratched up easily, I do recommend using what is it called, like rubber or silicone utensils, like kitchenware. That way they don't get scratched up easily. Okay, so next up is another small lid, which this lid fits the first one. So look how cute. So there's the other lid. It's also tempered glass with stainless steel. Okay. And I love how they packaged it. They packaged it really well so that nothing can break or nothing gets messed up or dented. And then it comes with this next pan. And this one holds 7 cups of water. It also has liters on the side, but I mainly use cups. So it holds 1.5 liters. But this is what this one looks like. And they feel really light, which is good for when I'm like transporting it from like the oven, the stove to like drain it out, whatever I'm making in it. So this one's this one. Ooh, ah. Also, all of these are oven safe, or I think the majority of them are oven safe. So I think a temperature of like 400, I believe, or 375, which is great because sometimes I do need a pot or pan to just throw in there. Sometimes I want to make a bread, and I could just make it in there. So that's perfect for me as well. So the next one is another lid. I believe this is for the one that we just finished seeing. Let's see. Yes, there we go. There we go. So yeah, none of these are really heavy, and I'm excited about that. That last pan, I know I'll be able to use it for like rice. Because who doesn't eat rice? Come on. Especially as a Hispanic Latina, I be eating rice. So this one looks perfect for like a small soup, or it's for pasta. And it also has this one has quarts. So this one holds 5 quarts of water, or 4.5 liters. So then there's this side, which I think will be great for like pasta. Perfect. And I think the lid is one of the first lids that I have taken out. So yeah, this one here. So that's it with the lids. And again, we're definitely gonna need like little rubber silicone mittens to be able to take these off, or just regular mittens. But and silicone and rubber utensils, kitchenware, that way you don't scratch up the pans. So the last ones that is in here, oh, there's 2 more in here, not 1. There's 3 more things in here. So there's another lid, and it is for one of the other pots. I'm so excited, and I love that they all have lids for them. And then this one, oh, I'm so excited about this one. Oh my goodness. Look at this baby. Boom. It holds 9.5 quarts of water, liquid. And you know what this would be perfect for? A big thing of habichuela con dulce. Oh my goodness, I'm excited. So this is what the bottom looks like. Ooh. And the bottom is actually pretty thin, which I think is good. I think it's a good thing. So yeah, this is what it looks like. And this is the lid that I first opened that belongs for that pot. And then the last thing in here, which I do have one of these, not from this brand, but I do have one of these, and I use it a lot to make chicken, to do stuff like that. But this baby, I love how it looks. Oh my goodness. So yeah, there we go. Again with the little handle. I actually really like this handle. Like, it feels really nice. This is probably like the heaviest pan out of all of these. But that's fine because I'm just gonna be cooking like meat, probably sauteing vegetables in there. So yeah, so that's everything that came in the box. It was an 11-piece set. It came with, wait, give me a second. So that's everything that was in the box. It came with, it's an 11 set, so it came with 5 lids, 5 pots, and then 1 pan. This pan, this is the 11. And it had a 4.6 rating on IKEA, and I'm really excited. They look and feel like they're really good quality, and I can't wait to throw out my like 2 dingy little pans that I currently have, because they've been through enough. I've had them for years and they've been through enough. So I'm excited to put these to use. I'm not cooking today because today is my friend's birthday, and we're gonna all eat together. We're gonna order food and just chill. So I'm not gonna do that, but I'm excited to use them tomorrow. And I love that it comes with many different sizes, because I can use the little one for like a small portion of oatmeal, or for boiling like 2 eggs. I can use this one for like making rice, or this one for making rice, this one for making rice. Or a small portion of pasta in here, maybe a small soup, and then This is the one that I was saying that would be great for like boiling egg or doing a small portion of oatmeal. And then this is a big baby, ooh, for the habichuela con dulce, or like a big sancocho. Ooh, baby, I'm excited. And then this other one for pasta. I have to trip like 4 different times on these cables that are on the floor. And I love that they all come with like measurements on the side. That would use like if I need to put 2 cups of water in that pan so I can make some rice. So I can literally just measure it right then and there. I don't need measuring cups. So I'm super, super, super excited about these, and I can't wait to put them to use. What else can I say about them? The only recommendations I can tell that I can give is that to use rubber or silicone kitchenware, that way you don't scratch the inside. And second, to have mittens handy, like kitchen mittens or whatever they're called, kitchen mittens. I'm pretty sure that's what they're called. Just because this I can tell is going to get hot because it's made out of stainless steel as well. So be prepared to like not use your hands unless you have like powerful hands that you can do it with. Just be prepared. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And maybe in a couple months I can go ahead and do like a review on what they look like after like 2 months of use, and things like that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, hit the like button down below. And if you want to see more content like this, please subscribe because I post videos every Sunday. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you have any questions, leave any questions you have down below and I'll get to them. That was my lunch break, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this away and go back to work.